This isn't sharp enough.
They fit okay, Meg?
Okay.
Don't cut
Yeah, they fit.
It should be nice and warm.
Yeah. Oh, my feet was already getting warm in there.
Good. My feet was pretty getting warm.
Yeah, you look really good today,
A little tired today. That's awesome. I can't wait to.
Yeah, those are the luckiest boots in town.
Yeah. Nice young guys. We were
That's awesome.
shocking to go to
How do you
bathroom.
guys do this?
Ask Bill.
Uncle Bill, he wrapped it.
What is it, first of all?
Do you know his name?
Oh, okay.
I know exactly. You're missing. Stand up.
Stand up, you can't see your face.
She's crying. She's so
You
sad.
stand up.
No, you can't take a picture. She's crying.
Thanks for your help.
She's so
There's a lot
hot.
of work to get that for you.
You can't see her, Bill.
I know.
She's crying behind
No,
the
don't take her picture.
Get her picture.
Why did you guys do this?
Thank Bill.
You like it?
How do you like that for a gift?
Take it back. I want to see it,
Open it
dude.
up. Open it
Yeah,
up.
open it up. I haven't even seen it yet.
Oh my god.
It's a baby.
Now I know what it is. Now
It's
I'm in on
wicked.
the thing.
Still
gonna need that knife.
Yeah, you need the knife.
Turn off the camera.
Why?
Wait.
Pop up so you can get one picture.
Oh,
We'll get one of them.
Oh, you got one?